Hello my gorgeous nail lovers, you are welcome back to Nail Vibes. This is a channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. In this video for today, there is no exception because I have the best collections of red, beautiful acrylic nail designs for you my gorgeous friends. So in order for you to enjoy this video, I urge you to watch this video to the end. Okay? And as you watch, in case you've not subscribed to this channel or you are seeing this channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that as soon as a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so watching this video, you see that these nails look so good, unique and elegant. You can practically rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. Okay, you know, red is a very trendy color that suits so many fashion types. So watch and make your best choice. And as you watch, kindly support this channel by hitting the like button. Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones. And you can also save this video for a later use. Thank you so much as you do that. I also say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to my comment section and tell me what you think about my video or my channel in general. And you can also make a request on the kind of video you would like to see me make in my next upload. Thank you so much, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.